Today we are going to make something new and completely different. Let me show you an amazing YouTube channel. First of all, take a look at this channel. It has uploaded only 10 videos, but just look at the views. 1.6 million 890k views, 1.9 million 200k plus views, and even 441k views. Yes, with only 10 uploaded videos. Now the question is this channel monetized or not? So first, copy the YouTube channel link or the channel name, then open YouTube Social Blade and paste it there. As you can see, the channel name is RiceBrain. And yes, this channel is monetized. Its estimated income is around $240 to 3.8k per month. Yes, up to 3.8k per month, which is really impressive. You can also see that this channel is based in the USA. And the craziest part is, this type of content doesn't require expensive cameras, actors, or a huge setup. With the right AI tools and creative ideas, stay consistent and upload smart content like this, your channel can also explode in views within a very short time. You can easily create the same type of videos and go viral. And not only on YouTube, these mini videos are also getting millions of views on TikTok. You can see 3 million views, 6.9 million, 2.2 million, and many more. These videos are going viral everywhere. Today, I'm also going to use a brand new free AI tool and show you exactly how you can create AI videos with it. We'll use two tools, one new and one old, and both are absolutely amazing. If you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and also like the video so you can watch more videos like this in the future. So, let's get started and see how we can create viral AI creations. First of all, you need to open ChatGPT, okay? After opening it, I will give you a prompt called the master prompt. You need to download it from the comment section. As soon as you download it from the comment section, copy the entire prompt till the end where it says generate 10 images. Copy everything completely. After copying, go to ChatGPT and simply paste it there. As soon as you paste it, ChatGPT will analyze it and then give you 10 image prompts, video prompts, scene prompts, and even voiceover scripts. In this way, you can easily create your short videos. You can comfortably make 3 to 4 short videos with it. And if you want to create a story based on a single character, then simply copy and paste this line. Please also do me as a story. This way, it will create a complete story for the specific character you want. So basically, ChatGPT will automatically generate all the ideas for you. You just need to copy and paste the prompt. Also, don't forget to like the video because I'll also show you how to create these videos for free. There's a really amazing tool that I'm going to use today. Now let's create the images. For the first image option, I'll copy the first image prompt. After copying, the best website for generating images is Leonardo.ai. It's an amazing website. Now, which model should you select? Select Phoenix 1.0 and keep the size at 9:16 because we want to create vertical videos. After selecting the model and size, simply paste the prompt. As soon as I paste the prompt, you can see the image is already generated. In the same way, I keep copying and pasting the next prompts one by one. Step by step, all the images start generating automatically. You can see that around 5 to 6 images are already generated, and the results are absolutely amazing. These are exactly the kinds of scenes I wanted. Now the next thing, what if the credits finish? Let's say 7 images are generated, and now you want to create the remaining ones. What I do is switch to another browser, log in to Leonardo.ai with another email account, connect it, and continue pasting the remaining prompts there. As you can see, all my images are now ready. The image results are really impressive. Now that the images are ready, let's move on to creating AI videos. For that, I'm going to open the first website. Now, for creating videos, the first website I'm going to use is Adobe Firefly. Simply type Adobe Firefly and it will appear at the top. You can see it says Free Generative AI for Creatives. It's a really amazing website. Just click on it. After opening, you need to log in and your screen will look something like this. You can sign in with Google or you can also use temp mail if needed. As you can see, I'm using my email atechcreation78 and I'll log in with that. As soon as I log in with my email, it will take a little time to load, and after that, it will open like this. It's a really amazing website. Here, you can do editing, create images, videos, and pretty much everything. And if you're having trouble finding the video tool, then I'll put my link in the description. You just need to copy that link from there, and after that, paste it here. As soon as you paste the link, it will show something like this. Now click on the video option and then click on Generate Video. As soon as you click on Generate Video, the first setting you must choose is VO 3.1. Make sure to remember this because it's important. After that, click on Upload Image and upload your first image. Once the image is uploaded, paste its prompt into the section below. Then, simply click on Generate. It may take a little time, but not too much. Sometimes it takes longer, but if your internet connection is good, it will generate quickly. After a short wait, you can see that the video is ready, and the result looks absolutely amazing. Now, in the same way, I upload the second image using the same style. Make sure to keep the size vertical. After that, I paste the prompt again and click on Generate. It takes a little time, but not too long. And now, you can see that the second image video is also ready. The result is really impressive. In this way, you can easily create videos on this platform. Now, the second website is also very famous, and I'm going to use it next here after clicking on Create with Flow, Open New Project. Once you click on it, you'll see an interface like this. Now simply copy the prompts from ChatGPT, choose your preferred video size and settings, and paste the prompts into the box. As soon as you paste them, the AI will automatically start generating your video. You can see that I copied another prompt and pasted it as well, and now the second video is generating too. Using this method, you can create unlimited AI videos for free in a very simple way. The best thing is that the video quality is extremely impressive and the results look professional. For the final video editing, I'll use CapCut because it's a really amazing software. It's easy to use and comes with many great features. Here, I'll add my video clips, apply video effects, transitions, music, and do all the editing to make the video look professional and engaging. Now, my video is completely ready, and as you can see, the final result looks amazing. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions related to this video, feel free to leave a comment and I'll reply to you. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. Next time, I'll bring another amazing method for you. Thanks again for watching.